Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Samantha. I'm back with another video. Tonight I'm going to be making a headband wig. So it's an updo. So I'm just trying. This is not a tutorial. It's just me showing you how I make it. I've never done updo one before, but I'm going to try and we're going to see how it comes out. So first of all, before I start, I'm going to ask you guys please to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Please and thank you. Now let's get right into the video. Let me show you the stuff that you're going to be needing. A dome wig making cap. And it has the elastic bands, so it's stretched to fit. So I'm going to need a mannequin head. And I'm gonna need, you're gonna glue sticks because I'm gonna be using a glue gun to fix the hair onto the dome cap. So we're gonna be using a glue gun, and I'm gonna be using some needles to fasten the dome cap to the mannequin head so it doesn't move around while we're trying to put the hair on. And finally, we're going to be needing some hair, and I'm using some hair that I already had from before, and it's some twists. So I'm just using these. I'm going to reuse them. I had them in from before. They're already washed and clean and everything, so we're just going to go right ahead. So let me go ahead and fasten my dome cap to my mannequin head. Okay, so we have that fastened on there. It's not gonna move around, but we're trying to put our hair on because that could be annoying. Anyways, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take one piece of hair, and we're gonna be doing it up, guys. So it's gonna be going up this. Sorry, I don't know if you can see. It's gonna be going up this way. So I'm gonna move my camera in a little bit more. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to take a piece of hair, and we're going to start from right here. I start from right here. I don't normally start from where the band is because I don't want it to be too bulky, because then you're going to maybe you're going to tie a scarf or a headband or something around it, and you doesn't want it to be too bulky. So I'm going to start right here with the hair. So, piece of and you have to work fast with the glue gun, because it's it dries really fast. So I'm just gonna kind of mix it with some brown, make it a little. I'm just gonna, oh, you know what? You can put them close together depending on how much hair you have. Just make sure this is not out in my thing. You just do that going all around. Okay guys, so I went ahead and finished the first layer all around, so you can see how it looks right now. It looks really nice, and I did it closely together, so it looks really neat. And you can just leave it at this layer if you want, but I'm gonna add another layer to it because I want it to be thick. So I'm just gonna put down the front layer so I have enough room, enough area to work to do the second layer. So I'm just gonna put a little glue just above the first row, and then I'm just gonna stick it onto it. And it turned out I had more brown than black, which is fine because I wanted it to be mixed. So you just press it down, then you just keep adding the glue and just keep working fast with it because it dries really fast. Yeah, so we're just gonna go around with it just like we did the first row. Okay guys, so I finished the first layer and the second layer, so this is what it looks like. As you can see, there's a spot left in the middle, but that's okay. We are not worried about that because the hair is gonna go up. So as you can see, I'm just holding it down so that I can get the hair all up in a neat bun. So yeah, the inside part doesn't matter at all, guys, because that will not show at all. So I'm just gonna put it up in an updo, and then just gonna put something in it to keep it up. But guys, this looks so neat. This looks really nice. I'm really happy with the outcome of this. Really happy with the outcome of this. And it's such an easy style to do, you know, guys. And anybody can do this. Trust me. It's not hard at all. It took me about an hour to do it just because I had to stop and go with my baby. So you can finish this in about half an hour, 45 minutes tops. So yeah, I just put a air elastic in it to hold it up. And it looks so neat already. You just pull those through and just make it tight and neat. Yeah. Then I'm just going to take a scarf to just tie around the band so the band doesn't show around the elastic. And you can use anything that you have, guys. You can use you can use headbands. You know, there's so many different headbands you can get from the dollar store or anywhere. And or you can make your own, and you can use a scarf. Right now I'm just using a scarf to just show you what you can do with it. I think this looks so nice, guys. And as I said, you could just do one layer of twists. Depends on if it's not gonna show through, because I did two because I didn't want the space to be visible through the wig. So I just did two. So yeah, guys, this is it. I'm in love with it. It's really an easy style to go. Just put it on and go. So thanks for watching, guys. Please, I'm going to ask you to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you like this style. Let me know if you're going to try it. Let me know if I made your life a little easier, because you know, with us ladies, we're always looking for different hairstyles. So let me know if you like this. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to the end of the video to see how I rocked this style.